leave a comment in the comment section. Up, Gaza uncle. I didn't see you go. Okay, thanks. I didn't see you going live, so I decided to just do a live until you're up and running. I'm just doing some lighting, but yeah, thanks, uncle. Much much appreciated. And once you go live, I'll cut off my live. So basically, what I have here is normal lighting socket that people will use, and I'm basically going to use this for temporary lighting. Um, it's not permanent. It's just so I can get some light upstairs on the second floor. So also also another reason why I like to use my gloves is basically because when it comes to when it comes to electrical, as you know, there could be times when there's power on, could be times when there's no power. So normally I like to use my gloves because if I do happen to touch the wire, it doesn't do me anything. If it's live, it's not going to do me anything because I'm wearing gloves. Anything that's 120 volts and less, you're allowed to carry out live activities on the circuit. Anything above 120 volts, you have to take the proper precaution. Also, all those who are checking into the light, you can double tap to light up. It costs you nothing to light. So you can double tap to light up the light. Um, so basically, what I'm doing here is I'm going to be installing this. Like I said, it's just a normal light. Um, of course, I'm not going to be using it when it comes to the finishing. So again, just for temporary purposes. So again, it's all for temporary purposes that I'm using my lighting. Again, you can double tap. You can double tap to light up the light. Also, another thing I like to do is I like to just take my tester, make sure there's no power, and I carry out my work accordingly, according to